Hi guys, this is the iPhone 15 Plus and I'll show you how to log out from the mail application on this device. So we should first open the settings and then scroll down to the mail section. Click here to accounts and we could see that we got here two logged in accounts, the iCloud and the Gmail, and just to log out from one from these accounts you should tap to the accounts from which you want to log out and just tap to delete account. Click to delete from my phone. Wait a second, we could see that we just successfully logged out from the account, so let's go back to the mail application and we could see that we also successfully logged out from the mail app. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.